Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today what we are doing is I'm doing a page kind of like a what makes you feel better page, and basically it's just a page so you can write little notes on things that make you feel better, or things you'd like to do that make your mind at peace, or just basically just like reading a book and finding your inner peace. With these pictures, I couldn't decide what pictures to use, so I decided to make two pages. And basically, it was just to practice some writing and just to see how the photos worked when I did the actual artwork. Here I am basically just doing the prep work for the paint color. I just went over the writing that I did. I wasn't too keen about the writing initially, but it overall, when the picture was finished, it came out all right, and so it wasn't too bad. Here I am placing the first color. I had to wait a little bit longer for it to dry with the initial paint that I put on. So it did take a little bit longer than what I thought. And I also found that the layers were a little bit thicker, so it did take a lot more time to dry. I kind of like to do pages like this. It's not dated pages. It's just pages that you can write on with a white pen or a colored pen, or just put stickers on or something. Just something that you can use just to help you define your day, or just to help you make you feel better. And I find that when I do some of these pages, I really enjoy it. It makes me much more calmer, and I feel that I can do something with these pages to make it more interesting. Here I'm just putting a brown color. I'm going to use yellow as well, and also make a kind of yellow ochre. And then I'm probably going to just use a bit of white paint on the surface just to make it a bit lighter. When I put the brown color on, it seemed to totally disappear the writing that I had done. So here I am just dabbing it just to bring the writing out. What I thought about writing on this page was my books, books that I've read, or something, just to make a little list of what I have read. And what I was also thinking about is maybe also doing a recipe, a cooking recipe, because that sometimes makes me feel good when I try a cooking recipe, and then I can put that onto the page. The other things is exercise. You could use this page as a form of doing exercise. It's just something that makes you feel good. Here's the second page. I'm doing the same thing. I'm just doing a basic brown onto the page, and I'm just working it out to just see how it will look with these different photos. I found when I was doing this artwork, I started to discover that I really do like earthy colors, like earth greens and fern greens and moss colors and earth and bark colors on trees. And because I really enjoy and appreciate it. Here's the final pages. This is what they look like. And overall, it came out all right. I like this page a lot more because I think this is more about what I wanted to get out of it. And the second page is just something extra. These are the photocopies that I made. On the other side, I have photocopied the color, a yellow ochre kind of color, and it's just so that I can use both sides of the pages so that I don't waste anything. Here I am cutting the pages in half so this can fit into my A5 planner. And here I am cutting the second page, and this is what I'm going to put into my A5 planner. Here I am putting in file reinforcers. This is just to help the page so that it doesn't rip. I kind of like these, and I like how it looks on the page. They're just basically white file reinforcers, and I really enjoyed it. This is probably the kind of stickers that I like. Anything that's really useful, I kind of like to put on a page. Here is putting the last sticker on, and this is what the final pages will look like. Overall, this project was really easy to do. I didn't really struggle so much. Here's the final pages, and as you can see, it's really nice. I really love the little stickers, the reinforced stickers, and I think it makes the page look really great. Here are the final pages in the A5 planner. I think it came out really well, and I'm probably going to use one of these pages in next month's planner. Well, this is the end of the video. I want to say thank you for watching, and please subscribe and leave a comment, and I will be looking at the next project next week, and I will see you then.